If you're diving into the world of Forex trading and looking for currency pairs that show strong, consistent trends, you're in luck. Some pairs stand out for their ability to exhibit clear and sustained trends, making them ideal for traders who love riding the waves of the market. By the way, if you are looking for a reliable broker with very low deposit requirements and quick withdrawals, see the links in the description box below. First up is the EUR/USD, the most traded currency pair globally. Its massive liquidity often results in clear trends, and it's a favorite among traders for its predictability. Then there's the GBP/USD, which, while known for its volatility, offers exciting opportunities with its dramatic price movements. Keep an eye on this pair during key economic events in the UK and US. These moments can lead to substantial trends. The USD/JPY is another heavyweight in the Forex arena. Influenced by the economic policies of both the US and Japan, this pair frequently showcases strong trends. Similarly, the AUD/USD is influenced by commodity prices, and its movements can provide great trading opportunities based on economic data from Australia and the US. For those interested in the Canadian economy, the USD/CAD is worth watching. As Canada's economy is closely tied to oil prices, this pair's trends often align with shifts in the oil market. The NZD/USD, with its ties to commodity prices, follows a similar pattern, making it a reliable choice for trend traders. Cross-currency pairs like EUR/GBP can also offer exciting trends, driven by economic and political events in both the Eurozone and the UK. The EUR/JPY is another pair with a reputation for strong trends, influenced by data from both the Eurozone and Japan. Lastly, the GBP/JPY and AUD/JPY pairs are known for their volatility and can exhibit impressive trends, especially during significant economic events. These pairs can be especially thrilling for those who thrive on market fluctuations and risk. Exploring these pairs can lead to exciting trading opportunities and help you capitalize on the market's natural movements. If you are looking for a reliable broker with very low deposit requirements and quick withdrawals, see the links in the description box below.